What's up everybody, today I'm doing a studio tour.
You're joking. Not another one?
Not a studio setup, which is what I've done last time, but today I'm actually taking everyone through my studio, what I have done with it, and what I want to get done with it. So let's go. Alright you lot, so this is the studio from afar. I'm going to go through the sofa, which is just quick, then the shelves, and then where I work, so let's get into it. So this is the sofa. Now I just stick a load of shit on here, but I do have some stuff like green screen packaging, some cushions, a broken table which I've been meaning to fix, and some stuff I need to sell. Next we have my shelf. Now this is my main background. This is what you see in the back of all my videos, so let's just go into it. So we've got like some tech stuff on the first bit and a humidifier there. We've got some fragrance box, some projector, DS with some games, another DS. Then we got a remote control car and then some little toy. Then we have my PS5 controllers, a VR box, some things, display. Some more display here. That's so cold, by the way. And then we got some phone boxes, a shoe box, some random cups, bro. And then just some stuff on the top. And then obviously I've got my photos on the wall, just like that. And then like that, and a sticker, and then this, can't forget about this. Then over here got my other stuff, that cloud light that never works, and then just pictures there and a picture there. When I film you can't see this bit, but this is my TV. This is what I just do when I'm just chilling in bed. So it's my TV, then I just got some stuff on the shelf down here, my hat up there, some bag, and then this cool ass light that I got. Right, we come to the main bit. This is my desk. This is where I work and make and edit all of my videos, so let's just go in depth on it. This is my computer, this is what I do all my work on, headset, some TikTok shop products. I've been working with my Panda, key light, and then my chair. Just got my phone, bro. And then I need to sort out this bit. I need a new unit. I've got my camera box, some shit. Oh yeah, it's a new light. I'm gonna chuck that on the back there. Some floor filler there, and then my tech box, which I just chuck my plugs in and my extension lead. That is my room. Now, I'm really sorry this video is quite quick. I have school tomorrow. I've got so much fucking homework to do. But I will do a more in-depth one if I do change it. I'm sorry I've been making loads of these, but... So if you haven't already, just subscribe with that notification bell and I'll see you next video. Peace.